Alright y'all, so I just made it to Triumph. It's like a coffee shop, but at night they play live music, so it's a cute little spot. I just met this girl. Hopefully she's not weirded out that I got a whole camera. This is cute. Oh, I got a, yeah, I'm a vlogger. Oh, okay. But Palms is not the spot. Oh, this is so cute. Hey YouTube, I'm trying to get me a clip real quick before my phone dies, you guys. Today's December 1st and we are at the Ford Center. Y'all, we at the Ford Center. So we're here because they're doing a little holiday show and I wanted to catch it, and my friend's gonna meet me here. So yeah, we're here early. It starts at 6, but I think we have to walk down a little bit or something, so I want to make sure I'm ready. It's almost 5:30, so I'm gonna see where she's at. And yeah, this is a free event, so I try to find things that are free. I should have brought a brush, not a comb. I try to find things that are free for me to do that, you know, if I end up spending money, you know, okay, but the initial goal was free. Anyway, you guys, I need to call my friend and find out where she is, and I will get back to you guys. If my phone dies, if my camera dies, I'll use my phone, and if that died, then it ain't meant to be. How cute! The little Cowboys traders. It was both, y'all. They're selling hot chocolate or something in here. Oh, thank you. We didn't know though. And it's warm in here. Hi. Okay.
And King Ranch Saddle Shop.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. We're hungry and I got here too early, so we're gonna try to get some food, see if we can watch it. But it's getting packed, y'all. Okay, the Cowboys is out. Maybe, I don't know. It's December 22nd. Today is my birthday. You guys, I'm doing a lot of running around, a lot, okay? And then y'all know Christmas is Monday, but I don't have time to cook. I am going to dinner tonight, location to be determined, but I wanted to get something to eat now. I haven't eaten all day. So I ran by Whole Foods and got the, you know, the TikTok famous meal prep meal. So I got the paleo, which is steamed veggies, salmon, and sweet potatoes, and everything comes cooked, y'all. They have another one with meatloaf and another one with chicken, and then I got a side of mashed potatoes. He had to tape it up because it was opening up, but I got these because Christmas I plan to make like almost like the braised short ribs or something. I don't know, I gotta decide, but I might make myself like a pot roast and use these mashed potatoes. I'm just gonna put them in the freezer so I don't have to worry about that or forget, but we'll see. I gotta taste them first. They might need, you know, a little something added to them. But yeah, and so this, I haven't tasted it at all, but I'm about to eat this and, you know, just relax and start getting ready to go to dinner because I need to do my press on nails and my hair, which I am filming. Show you guys what the girl is eating at 29 years old. She's eating good, honey. She's eating good. Oh, and this is $26. This was, I don't know how much this was, but let me see, all together I paid $38. So if you don't get an extra side, you're just gonna pay $26 for the meal. So yeah, if you don't cook and you're trying to eat healthy, or you just don't have the time, get one of the family meals from Whole Foods.
I'll go ahead and create it. I'll send you a picture and you'll be like, hey, look, this is what I have. I'm about to come deliver it. Before I come, you can just pay for it.
Y'all, so we're at Ulta now because I feel like my camera's not focusing ever since I tried to change the settings to see how I could get it to take pictures. I think I just want to get the Juvia's Place palettes because I just need shadows and stuff.
$14.25 now.
Okay.
Instead of $19.
Nice.
They're really cute. And this one is ruby blue, of course.
Yeah, this is the one I wanted.
Very cute one.
Okay, y'all. So I'm looking at these kohl pencils. Let me just show y'all. So this is the MAC kohl pencil in the color Feline, right? Look how pretty and dark. That's really nice. The coffee shop palette. This looks really cute. I feel like I would actually use these colors, but I feel like it has too much shimmers in it. But it has everything I need, really. And I'm 29 years old. So to celebrate, I decided to do something fun with my friends. We're going to a pottery class. And so I got me this super cute synthetic wig. It's the Butter Lace Unit 34 in the color CH Blonde. That's how it looks, y'all. I don't have my press-ons on yet if I decide to put them on. How cute is this wig, y'all? How cute is the color? Definitely a dupe for the Mega Looks. Y'all know that Mega Looks blonde, highlight blonde wig? Definitely a dupe for that. So I'm trying to make a little TikTok real quick. Let's see. I don't know what lippy I'm gonna wear, but I wanted to keep my makeup really soft and pretty. Didn't want to do too much. Yeah, so I ordered a charcuterie board, and I had the consult yesterday. I found the girl on Instagram, and she's making that for me, so she's on her way. I'm gonna pick that up. So I have that. I have a couple wines for my girlfriend, some gifts and all that stuff. So when we get to the venue, I have to get dressed, but when we get to the venue, I will show you guys the setup and everything. It's gonna be so cute. I really can't wait. I usually don't do anything like this for my birthday, but I really wanted to include the girls that I have been forming relationships with here since I moved to Dallas. So yeah, when the charcuterie gets here, charcuterie, how y'all say it? Charcuterie, the kakuki, whatever. When the board get here, y'all, I'll show it to you guys. Actually, I'll show you at the place because I have a lot to do. I need to clean up around here. After me and the girls meet up, I might go out, grab a, well, I don't drink anymore. That's one thing. I stopped drinking, y'all. She don't drink no more. So I was about to say grab a drink, but I can grab a mocktail. I do drink wine here and there, but I stopped drinking like alcohol for my own purposes. So yeah, and I feel like my body is thanking me for it. But anyway, y'all, we gonna see where the night ends, but that's the main thing. I'm looking at this TikTok I made. All right, y'all, but yeah, I gotta go. My brain is all over the place because I got so much to do, but this hair looks so good, y'all. I literally just took it out the box, pretty much slept on my head and went on about my business. Now the baby hairs, I feel like I do need to gel them down, but we cute, we cute, we cute, we cute, we cute, we cute. All right, y'all, I just got here. I gotta unpack all my stuff before my friends get here.
Then you're gonna dip both of your hands in the water up to your wrists, and we're gonna put a little bit on top of your clay. And we're gonna start the wheel. Everybody has a lever on the side of their wheel. That's how we're gonna turn it on. So towards me is gonna be really fast, and towards you is really slow. So I'm gonna put mine about in the middle. And we're gonna start with the first step. So it's centering, super, super important. If we don't get it centered, it's gonna be hard to make. Just like that. If it's too skinny and you want to make it wider, 2 or 3 fingers in the middle, and you're just going to pull towards you.
I don't think nothing will fit.
You got to use those hands.
No, it need to fit some flowers. Imagination. I gotta widen it out.
All right, give me 1 second, I'll cut it.
What did you make?
I made 2 bowls.
That's good. Hey, oh shoot. Hey y'all. So this is what's going on, you guys. I'm actually super late. I'm trying to see a play today. I'm trying to see the Nutcracker. Well, not trying. I am going to see the Nutcracker. Today is Sunday, December 24th. So it's Christmas Eve. I am in Fort Worth. I never come out to Fort Worth for like really anything. I gotta change my shoes, excuse me. I got these really cute shoes from Amazon. Let me show them to y'all. They're just clear with the little heart. Can y'all see them? So I drove out to Fort Worth and I went to the wrong location, and then some people really have audacity. I get there and I see no other cars, so you know my alarm system in my head goes off like, you know, okay, this is not right if nobody here, and this is a play that was almost sold out. So I just sit and wait because I'm looking in my email to see if anybody, I don't know if there was an email, something about change of location, anything like that. And while I'm waiting, I see this car pull up, so I like flag the person down to kind of ask them like, hey, are you going where I'm going? And the girl in the car, I think she was in an Uber, she's like, yeah, I'm going there too, can I ride with you? Say what now? Say what? Just because I asked you, are we going the same place, you think I would let you ride in my vehicle? No ma'am, don't have no spam, not this holiday season where they be thieving and robbing, no ma'am. So anyway, y'all know it is what it is. I'm about 30 minutes late now for the show, but at least I got out the house and did something. I was about to not come out because I have driver's anxiety sometimes, and it was raining really bad in Dallas. But my friend gave me some advice. She said always check the location where you're going because the weather out there might not be bad like the weather where you're coming from. So I did that, and it is sunny in Fort Worth so far. So far so good. But I'm having a good birthday weekend, y'all. I know I'm rambling, that's because I'm rushing, but I am having a good birthday weekend. I've had a few hiccups, some wardrobe malfunctions and stuff. This is just, you know, a car spray. I have perfume. I have on Black Opium, but I just put on this cozy vanilla from Bath and Body Works. It smells really good, and spray that on there. Got my shoes, cover up all this stuff. My shoes so cute. We found it, y'all. Box office. Cheesecake Factory is across the street. I think I get a free cheesecake for my birthday. Okay, it's here. Hey y'all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today is January the 7th. I'm feeling really good today. I actually just pulled up to church. I'm super late because I guess for the new year a lot of people want to start going to church. I mean, which is not bad. I'm happy for them, but the church is packed now, y'all. Church is packed. So, and this is the 12 o'clock service, so I thought that if I came to the later, because my church has 3 services, so I thought if I came to the later service that, you know, I wouldn't have to deal with this, but I see I do. But I know I can't make it to the 8 a.m. and I know 100% for a fact that the 10 a.m. it'd be swole. So it doesn't look like there's as many cars, there's just more traffic. I just don't really like missing praise and worship. But anyway, you guys, that's that. After church we're gonna go to the mall because, or Sephora, but I think I want to go to the mall, kind of walk around, get some steps in, because I got 2, y'all know the Sephora sampler perfumes. Well, you could I bought 2 of those separate so I could get 2 perfumes. So we're gonna go look for a perfume after church today, so I made sure I brought that with me. But yeah, y'all, today's pretty good. Happy New Year to you guys. I hope this year brings you joy. I feel really good about this year. I'm already seeing some of the promises that God gave to me start to come to fruition. Last year was challenging, but it helped me grow so much, and I'm just becoming, you know, into my own self, and I'm excited to just see where the year goes and see what else I get to. I want to come back on YouTube and be more consistent, but I'm really looking for my niche, for my passion, for what I need to be doing on here. I'm trying not to just throw up videos, but yeah, y'all, for until I figure it out, just bear with me, you guys. But just follow the journey, y'all, just follow the journey. But I'll see y'all when we get to the mall, I guess. I don't know, and I might go out to eat, but we'll see, because I got food at the house. Just a little tip, make sure you always get your apps a little bit before your birthday comes. I'm gonna pick up a free meal from IHOP. I think I get like any sandwich or something, and then I'm gonna stop by Red Lobster and pick up my dessert that I was supposed to get on my birthday, but the rewards last for a while, so I'm about to hop inside of here, and then I'm gonna go to Sephora, and then I'll go home, because I mean, yeah, basically if I count up how much money I'm spending today in girl math, everything is free. I mean, I already have the certificates because I already purchased the perfume samplers, and then the food is free. So do not sleep on getting y'all's free stuff from Sephora, from Ulta. Get these rewards. If it's a place that you eat often, get the rewards, guys. Get the rewards, because it really helps when you just want to have like a little solo day, have a little treat, and you want it to be free. So I love free. We starting off the new year right, and we are going to be a good steward of our finances, right? That means we need the rewards. All right, so I'm gonna go here and get this food. I think the I think the Red Lobster is close by. I think they said I get biscuits too. Now the biscuits, ooh, I don't want to be bad and get the biscuits, but like I love their biscuits, so I don't know, I might get the biscuits and put them in the freezer. I don't know, y'all, but all right, I'll be back. But y'all, this is what I got from IHOP. I'm super hungry. I think I'm gonna eat it now. I got the brunch burger. So it's basically like a cheeseburger with bacon and with a fried egg on it and some fries. I already have some sparkling water in the car, so we're gonna eat this. Hey guys, I really want to get new lighting in my kitchen, because I just feel like I could have way better lighting in here. So I'm going to start looking into that, because I really don't like to film all around my house, because I really don't want you guys figuring out the layout of where I live. But that's here nor there. I'm just here to let you guys know that I will be ending the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it's enough footage. Let me know what you guys think, because I really want to change the direction of my channel. Okay, I still want to do affordable hair videos and vlogs, but I also want to incorporate TV show reviews. I really love reality TV, especially shows about relationships and dating, because I am truly like a hopeless romantic. So I love those type of shows. Ready to Love starts January 12th, which is Friday, so I'm gonna try to live stream, and if I cannot live stream, then I'm gonna try to do a recap after. I don't know what's gonna be better, a recap or a live stream, because if I do the recap, then I need to put the videos, the images over the screen or something. So we'll see. I don't know, y'all. Let me know what shows you guys are watching. But Ready to Love is a television show on OWN, and it's pretty much contestants who are looking for love. And we all, you guys, it's reality TV. We all know people go on reality TV and they might not have the purest intentions, but I just love the possibility of people doing what they gotta do to find the love of their life, because I'm trying to find the love of my life. So yeah, y'all let me know what you think. I'm gonna go ahead and call this vlog a night. I'm about to sip on some matcha and go get on my stepper that I got. I didn't show it to y'all. Let me show it to you real quick so y'all can see, because I really do like the stepper. Guys, I got it off Amazon, and I usually do my stepper along with a kettlebell, because I stopped going to the gym, especially in the cold. I wasn't going as much, so I got the stepper. I'll go ahead and link it for you guys. I have a storefront. I need to update it, but I'll just drop the link. Maybe I'll see. If I don't drop a link, I'll drop the storefront for you guys and put it under home workouts or workout or something. So yeah, this is the stepper that I use and call. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what TV shows you guys watch, and what y'all think about the TV show reviews. What you think? Let me know. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.